Keto and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share this recipe with you guys because it is amazing. We're gonna make a birthday cake, but we're not gonna use the oven. We're only gonna use a microwave. I'm gonna teach you how to make the base, the filling, and the buttercream. And these are the ingredients that we're gonna use today. Start with the video, but before, it would make me really happy if you subscribe to this channel, and if you like the video, could you give it a thumbs up? Let's do it.